Right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends where you dey watch me from. My name still remain Comrade Lucky Orupe, the President of the Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria. I'm a human rights activist. I dey report all the way from Benin, Edo State, Nigeria. I dey with Miracle, and this video, when we wan try to do so, na video wey be say you go for learn many things inside. Make you try share the video and look the video. Miracle na student na secondary school, na a day when he lost his father. And when he lost his father, his mother as a widow not fit continue to pay for that private school again because things can't get as it be. Miracle na for Eastern Nigeria, where you for come for Igbo land. All the way from Enugu, but na Benin, now they born Miracle with parents now from Enugu. So as we speak today now, Miracle lost his father. So we not go feel leave Miracle, make it be drop out for school. We get two things for Miracle. Now because they do this video. This video, what will you be remembered for? What will you be remembered for? Look around your environment, where you dey stay, your father's side, your mother's side, your village. So many people there. Wait, there this kind of situation. When will they try one sort out right now? Miracle now SS1 now he's supposed to stay today, but because he lost the father, he dey has since. So when we hear this story, now we connect with our mother, Favor Blessing Foundation. Favor Blessing Foundation now foundation when they take care of widow all over the world and less privileged. I never to relate with my mother now. But I know say my mother no one here say any pikin want to drop out for school. Emergency now this matter be. Miracle need to go back to school. Tomorrow. Now we want to make it go back to school. Miracle need uniform, he need school standards, and he need books, and he need to go start school. We want this opportunity to thank our governor, Mr. Governor Basaki, when he put primary school and secondary school for free education. Even when it isn't a free education, you still need to go buy your sandals, go buy your bags and your book. Now Miracle take come our office today. Miracle. So when I go make inquiry now for your school, how much estimate you bring?
20,000.
20,000. Yes. Why they say 20,000 naira? The person when we send go try to talk to them and they come arrive. Say, okay, since that's what the matter be, you not get papa again, may you bring 70,000 naira so that tomorrow you go start school. So Miracle, tomorrow, we want to make you go start school. This money they come from Favor Blessing Foundation. Favor Blessing Foundation, this woman is not a Nigerian woman. This woman is not from Igbo. This woman is not from Edo. It's from Ghana. All the way from Ghana, helping less privileged in Nigeria, helping widows in Nigeria. I think this is a woman you need to meet so that you go join her for this good work when they work. So Miracle, make me start. Oh yeah, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Tomorrow, Miracle, they go back to school. What will you be remembered for? Are we going to leave Miracle for the SS1? Miracle need to move from SS1. You need to move to SS2, SS3, and enroll and ahead to university. Nobody know what miracle wan become. The person wey dey see here so, if he become the governor of Enugu State, or one senator, or rep, or doctor, or engineer, or if he become one businessman, importer or exporter, now make my brothers and sisters look around you, look for somebody to help, not be who you help, not be who will help you. Miracle. Now, Wake Traders Welfare Union and Favor Blessing Foundation, they do this one for you. We don't do one for you, say make you forget waiting you pass through. Are you hearing me? When you don't pick for life, remember how you say go back to school. When you don't be somebody for life, look around you. You will always see less privilege. You will always see widow. Are you hearing me? What we are doing today, will they prepare your mind and will they prepare you to see and say, you become a better person for future. In case you don't watch this video and this story, when we talk about miracle here, you want to support, contribute your quota, you fit call this number +234 8053 841781 +234 8053 841781. Our brothers in Dimbo all over the world, miracle need to support. Funny enough, when Miracle Papa dey alive, na very big man for inside our market. Na man wey we say he use am do well, but enemy no let her enjoy am. All those things wey we say he achieve, both land and house, motor, everything, na sickness he pass go. Today, they finally lost the man. The woman don become widow, and the children now don become orphan. Are we going to live miracle like that? The one wey we say our hand reach, now we fit still do so. If you get anything wey you wan do, you want support, you want advice, you call our number +234 8053 841781. Miracle, wetin you get to tell Favor Blessing Foundation?
I want to tell you thank you for everything.
Okay. So
thank you very much, and I'll try my best for this help.
Miracle, a very intelligent pikin, very, very intelligent. I don't sit down with him. I don't ask a question. The question English where they come up for a mouth. See, Miracle, everything I want to tell you. No feel and say when your papa dey alive, he put you for private school. Are you hearing me? Now, you won't go, no, I'm not crying here, I don't cry for this video. So now, you want go Edo Polo Secondary School. That Edo Polo Secondary School, so it don't produce professors, it don't produce lawyers, it don't produce doctors, it don't produce politicians who will say that the whole state and this country. So, what I want to tell you, if you enter that Edo Polo, now different group you go jam for inside that school, but you need to choose the good one so that you will become a better person for life, to make your mother proud, to make your community proud, and the entire world proud. My name remains Comrade Lucky Orupe, the President, Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria, and they report all the way from Benin, Edo State, Nigeria.